In this tutorial I will show how to create double exposure image. To create this, click on the background layer and click on lock icon, make it unlock. Now create a new layer icon and fill it white. Select paint bucket tool and click on this image. Now layer 1 white layer, drag and drop it layer 0 or rhino layer. Now we have to delete this background, so it's very easy. We can go to properties panel. If you don't find properties panel, go to window and select properties. A dialog box pop up. Here you will see a quick actions feature, and here two buttons, one remove background and select background. Now click on the remove background. It's automatically remove this background without subject. Now open this other image. If you want to make double exposure, I select this forest image or giraffe, drag it and make it bigger, this document, click OK. Now blend mode normal to make it screen, and opacity 76%. Now this forest image, create a layer mask. To create a layer mask, go to the layer icon at the bottom of layer panel, click on the layer icon, select the brush tool and paint flow, make flow 70% and paint this rhino head to make this head visible. Now we create its fantasy effect. To create guardian, go to layer adjustment panel and select guardian. Click on the drop down menu and choose reds or as your wish. I choose this. Hit OK. Now blend mode, make overlay and opacity 80%, 76 or 70%. It's make double exposure image. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon button to get more update.